Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class. It is an English for grade 5 and we are learning unit number 13. And my dear students, you know that its title is safety. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can adjust it for your ease. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture, lecture number 4, we will learn about how to use our dictionary to find out words and how we can locate words into a dictionary. So today we are going to cover up that. So before in English for grade 4, my dear students, you have already learned in unit number 6, female education. Okay, how use a dictionary to find out how words are divided into syllables. Okay. We have already covered up, already we know that how we can use a dictionary to find words, different words. Okay, so today we are going to enhance our knowledge. Our today's students' learning outcomes are recognize alphabetical arrangement of words in a glossary or a dictionary, locate and entry words in a glossary of a dictionary. Okay, so how we can locate words into a dictionary and a glossary. So see there, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse number 257, Allah is the guardian of the believers. He brings them out of darkness and into the light. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is a source of happiness for whom? Those who believe Allah, who follows in the instructions, the orders of Almighty Allah, who always obey Allah. So this beautiful verse is a source of happiness. How? Because Allah Almighty brings them out of darkness into the light. So when Allah brings anyone out of the darkness into the light, so my dear students, so those people, such people are various pious people and also so successful in this world and hereafter too. Okay, so let's pray from Allah Almighty. The Allah Almighty should also get out from darkness into the light. Ameen. Okay, so pre-reading questions are there. Are you ready? So let's refresh our knowledge. What are glossary words? Yes, what do you know? What are glossary words? Okay, good job, my dear students. See there. Next question, how we can locate a word in our dictionary? How we can locate? Already you have done. Okay, good. Let's see how we can locate. And what is a dictionary? A dictionary provides meanings to the words. With a dictionary, we can learn how to spell a word and also can find its meaning and correct pronunciation. So yes, my dear students, this is the benefit and of a dictionary. While using dictionary, we can find any type of word that we are facing. We can get its meaning, we can get its syllable division, that in how many parts this word is divided, and also the correct pronunciation, that how we have to pronounce this word. Okay, this is the benefit of dictionary. We can find easily. But the question is that how we have to find, how we can find. We can see a dictionary, moreover, you have in your home also, mostly in libraries also we see dictionary, in our school also. So the question is that how we have to use, how we can use. Okay, so today we are going to learn that how we can use. See there, how words are arranged into a dictionary. In a dictionary, words are arranged alphabetically according to the first, second or third letter. Okay, my dear students, first of all, we should know that how words are arranged in a dictionary. How words are arranged? Words are arranged in a dictionary through alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? Question arises, what is alphabetical order? You know that 26 letters we have in alphabets, starting from A, B, C, D, so on till Z. Got it? So 26 letters, when we are reading these letters in sequence A, B, C, D till Z, so this sequence is called alphabetically arrangement. So always we will find words into the dictionary according to the alphabetical arrangements. So keep remember that on the first page, very first page, you will find A, letter A. and all words starting from letter A. So keep remember, in this way, in sequentially you will find. But how you will find? Suppose according to the first letter, second letter or third letter. It means if the letter A is there, so what is the very second letter, third letter? According to these, we can find a words in a very easy way. I will show you, my dear students, okay? I will show you how we can find. So see there. What are entry words? Entry words indicates first and the last word of the page of a dictionary. With the help of these words, we can locate the word easily. This is. That's why entry words are on the front of the page. Okay, always we will find entry word on the front of the page. Two words will be there, my dear students. One will be the first word. Okay, and at the end of the page, which word is there? This will be the last word. And we can find that while finding any words, we can locate easily that. We can find that the first word is that. Suppose, see there, I'm showing you, there is a dictionary page for you. So these, have you shown, my dear students? Can you see that? These words are called entry word. See there, first word is any, A-N-Y. So can you find, see there, there is a word any. Adjective is there. Also there is showing what is any. Any is an adjective, and how we can find its meaning and how we can pronounce it and how many syllables there. Got it? This is a complete information of any. And the next last word is appall. Appall. See there. Appall. Appall. See there, my dear students, this is our last word in the dictionary. Got it? So in this way, these entry words makes our work easier, that we can locate a word easily, that which word we are finding we can see. So we will not go through the all words, we can see entry words. If our words is there, so we can find easily. Okay, this is the way. That's why entry words are helpful in a dictionary. See there, in other examples, there is a letter D. First is letter D sound. See there, there is entry word D. And the last word is dice. What is the last word? Dice. Mostly you have in your class, teachers are using even assembly halls while guiding something, while speaking, giving speech. So we are using dice. So see there, the last word is dice. See, is it clear? These are the entry words, and we can find entry words into a very easy way. Is it clear? Good. See there how we can locate a word. Okay, and keep remember, there are different steps I have made for you, my dear students, that how we can search. Suppose we have to find a word, meaning its pronunciation, its syllables. So how we have to find? There are few steps that you have to follow. Step 1, find the word you want to look up. Means which word you want to look up. I have selected a word like festival. Okay, suppose we are going to look a word festival. First we have selected our word. So what is our next step? See there, my dear students. Okay, and keep remember, find the letter the words begin with. The word begin with which is the first letter of the word. So what is the first letter? See. Yes, the first letter is F. So definitely we will open dictionary and we will find which series? F. Is it clear? This is our next step. Yes, next, open the dictionary to the page with the relevant letter, in this case the letter B. Suppose there is a letter B, but we have to find letter F. So we will open dictionary and we will find F series. Next, what we will do? Step 4, now look at the second letter in the word you are looking for. And what is our second letter? First is F. So we have opened our F series. Okay, and next is, which is our next? Like E. Okay, so we will get F-E. We will search our word into the series of F-E. We will not find like F-A, fall, F-A-double-L, fall. So what is the second letter? F-A. So definitely we will find our word with in the series of F-A. But here where we will find F-E, because second letter is E. Is it clear? See there. Okay, we are going to find. You have, this is a dictionary page and we are going to find. These are the entry words. Fence to file. So it means we can find our word because their first word is FE and our first word C behind FE, festival. Okay, so let's find. Okay, so see and find, hurry up. Yes, there is the word we have found. Is it clear now? This is the way that how we can find a word in the dictionary. So festival is noun, its plural is also there given, my dear students. Festivals. So what is the definition? A special day when people celebrate something. Wow. So this is the festival. Is it clear now how we can find, how we can locate a word into a dictionary? This is the actual way. Now you have got, my dear students, through different steps. Good. So see there, what is a glossary? Now we are going to see that a glossary is like a little dictionary in the back of a book. It tells us about special words used in the book. It is an alphabetical list of the different words in a text. Especially glossary always you will find on the back of your book, my dear students. Okay, and what is it is also like a short dictionary, but it always helps you the related words that are used in your complete book. Okay, and this glossary is always arranged through an alphabetical order. Okay, this will be also arranged as an alphabetical order, and we will find these special words mean difficult words. We can say new words, so we can find easily at the end of the book. So I have a book, my dear students. You should open back and take out your science book. Hurry up, my dear students. Okay, have you opened? See there? This is Science Grade 5. So now I am going to open what we have say at the back of the book. So let's see. Yes, see there, my dear students. Have you opened? Glossary. Yes. It is also arranged through alphabetical orders. So you can judge there is the letter A and all related words are there to letter A. And these are related from your text. Said that which words, new words are being discussed in this book. So these all are mentioned there. And this thing made easy for students. See there, this is A, B, C, and in this way it is going on. Okay, related all letters are mentioned there easily. So have you opened, my dear students, and also you are watching? Good. See there, till here, till U. It means there is not any other difficult word, letter Z till U, words are mentioned there. So this is the way that this is glossary. It's also like a little dictionary, but we can find this dictionary in the end of the book. Is it clear? So now you have got that, what is glossary and how we can locate a word. Good. Suppose you have to locate a word, they are also according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so you can suppose in R there is a word reflection. So okay, we are going to find a word from the glossary list, reflection. See there. Okay, so where is R? First search. Good. Hurry up, perform that. Yes, in R. We will find in R series. Yes, where is reflection? Okay, reversible, resting. Yes, we have found. Good. There is a word, reflection. And it is the return of light when it falls on the surface of an object. Okay, this is called reflection. So now have you got that, how we can find? Good. These glossary lists are mostly available in your books also. Have you got, my dear students, that how we can find that different words in a glossary? This is how we can use words, search words to locate words in a dictionary and a glossary. Good, my dear students. Now we are going to perform an activity. So are you ready now? I mean, now you are so excited that you should also find out. So okay, let's see how you can find out. Yes, my dear teachers, what you will do? Divide the class in groups according to the strength of your class. So my dear teacher, first step you will do, you should divide your class according to the strength in different groups. Give a piece of paper chart to each group. If you have more than one dictionary, you should give one dictionary to each group. If you have only one, give it to the groups one by one. Okay, it's for your easiness, my dear students. my dear teacher, if you have a dictionary, so you should provide dictionary to each group. If you have just one dictionary, so you can provide one by one. Okay, so what you will do next, write some words on the board. So you will write some words on the board and says to students to locate the words into a dictionary. And you will appreciate the work. Yeah, wow, good. So what you will do, you will give time to students that keep lead pencil in your hand and start finding these words that teacher has written on the board. I'm waiting for you and enjoy the activity. Well done, excellent job. Now I can guess that my class is grooming, and alhamdulillah now they are able to find words, different words in a dictionary. Good job. So now open your book. Okay, question number 7 is there. So there is a quiz for you according to the alphabetical arrangements. Okay, so now you will judge that where you will find these words and you will circle one of them. I'm waiting for you. Perform this activity individually in your class. Well done and welcome back. Good. What's our homework? Find 10 words, start with the letter C into dictionary and write these words into your notebooks. So my dear teachers, I have given here a letter C, so you can give different letters. Okay, you must give different letters to your students. They would find these words and their meaning into a dictionary. Is it clear? This is your homework. So this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below, my dear teachers. Get it into a printed form and provide it to your students to get that how much knowledge they have got that about dictionary words. There I have given also in worksheets also. Okay, so what we have covered to learn, and we have covered that to locate words into a dictionary. We also got that how we can locate a word in a glossary list, and in this way we have covered up our SLO, recognize alphabetical arrangements of words in a glossary or a dictionary. Locate and entry words in a glossary of a dictionary. Well done. We have done it. Okay, my dear students. So this was a new knowledge for you that how we can arrange, we can judge the arrangements of letter into a dictionary and how we can locate. So we have got that. It will be so easy and it will be helpful in our next grades. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. So tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.